I did not picture you as someone who lives on a boat. Oh, fancy meeting you here.
You just happen to be passing by the end of the dock?
It's open. Come in.
Hey.
Hey! I don't remember inviting you for dinner.
Mark invited me, didn't you, Mark? Hey.
Hey.
Do you like living on a boat?
I hate boats, actually.
So why do you live on one? Needs a little fixing up, though.
You know, it doesn't even run.
Now's your home. Need to take care of it.
Wow. This is cozy.
You never been down here before?
Hey, Mark, I missed you. Not inside. I didn't think I was allowed.
My brother Daniel put those up. They were already there. It's been a minute since you've been on the boat.
I know. You never invite me over anymore.
I invite you over today.
So, this was your brother's boat, and Mark was his cat.
He loved this crappy boat and this dumb cat more than anything.